gull is a common sight in most UK seaside towns. However, these birds have a bad reputation amongst the public.
It is becoming increasingly common to find articles related to gull behaviour in newspapers, with the majority being negative in papers such as The Guardian and the Irish Times.
As we can see from this graph, over the last 20 years, The Guardian and the Irish Times have reported more frequently about gulls. The y-axis represents a sentiment score given to each article, below 0 being a negative article, and above 0 being a positive article.
These studies can be subjective due to the nature of sentiment score. However, they do give an insight into the portrayal of gulls in the media. But what are the most common perceived problems that gulls have? Common complaints include noisiness, aggressive behaviour, and their fouling. These complaints, however, are a direct result of urbanisation causing gulls to be distributed in our urban areas.
In Bristol, GPS tracking data shows that gulls prefer to stay within urban areas and have become adapted to the high-energy food types available, rather than their natural habitats with lower-calorie earthworms, which are typical for their usual diet.
As you can see, the older the gull gets, the higher the proportions spent in urban, city green, and waste processing site areas. This confirms the notion that gulls have become adapted to and dependent on urbanised environments.
As previously stated, this urbanisation has led to an increased animosity between gulls and the local population. To reduce the impact gulls have on urban areas, several techniques have been suggested.
These include non-lethal control measures such as roof spikes, roof netting, and mock-ups of gull predators, as well as lethal control measures such as poisons, shooting, and egg oiling.
These solutions, however, aren't without their downsides. For example, spikes on rooftops are often ignored by the birds, and roof netting can trap birds on the roofs. Shooting gulls also has a negative public image, and oiling the eggs can become expensive and laborious.
Animosity between humans and gulls will continue without improved control methods, and further negative media coverage should be discouraged to promote cohabitation between us and gulls.
With a special thanks to Dr. Adam Kane for providing us with this information. If you would like to know more, then here are some recommended papers. Thank you so much for listening.